Hey, good morning, guys. Good afternoon. Depends on the place you're watching me from. On today's video is a super special video. It's my birthday, guys. 17th this October. It's a month of a lot, but we give much thanks to Almighty God for the blessing of life and for the gift of everything that we are doing around here. So this day today, it's an amazing day. It's early morning. Despite being a birthday, we have to work, guys. So please make sure you subscribe, you like, share, and leave a sweet comment. I really appreciate your love and support. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this. And of course, today we are heading back to the orphanage. We are heading back to the orphanage. We are heading back to the orphanage, and it's early morning. Look, people have started doing some construction, man. We're heading back to the orphanage to do what we call like continue with the work. So it rained. It really rained, and we want just to do what we call like. It rained, and we want to do what we call like bring more trucks of sand and cement so that we can continue with the work. But today, Gilberto came with some masons. They are just told that he came with some masons, and they are really trying to fit the iron sheets so that it can be looking good. Then we can continue with the construction. Anyway, guys, this day it's an amazing day, as I've told you. It's a very beautiful day. So we are heading and we are cruising through this amazing road. This is our village roads, guys. Very, very, very nice. Village roads. At least you can see how it is. It's early morning. With our motorbike. That's how we're moving. So today, leave in the comment section how do you celebrate your birthday. Do you go out? Do you celebrate at home? What do you do on your birthday? There are some who don't really celebrate birthdays. There are those who feel bad when they don't celebrate birthdays. There are those who, like me, who are just normal, where it will happen, they just, if it's there, they share. If not, then it's okay. It's a day like another day, but you need to be very happy. Be happy. Happiness is the key of everything. So today I'll see what I have that I can share with also the kids. And also today's prayers day for my son Melo. They're going to sit for their national exam. That is countrywide. And we are still mourning. Actually, I'm telling you guys, this month, it has been having a lot that has been happening. As I told you that we lost one of the very veteran, what you call leader. That was Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga. May your soul rest in peace. And look at the trees, man. Very nice. So in that regard, therefore, we are just mourning. It's part of life. It's part of life. It's nature doing its own. It's nature. On the other side, people are crying. On the other side, people are happy. On the other side, people are born. On the other side, people are dying. So it's nature doing its thing, man. So declared a public holiday, which is today on a Friday. I think it will be extended all the way to a Monday. So it has been a very nice, what we call like month, which started very nicely, but in between it has become something different. But let's proceed. I'll see what I'll have, what we can share. And this actually won't stop me to help at the orphanage. So it has been amazing. Maybe on a weekend is where we'll be relaxing, on a Sunday or a Saturday. But this being a Friday and it's being my birthday, let's keep on supporting each other. You know? Let's support each other to where we can. And this is through your aid, guys, by helping, supporting us through thick and thin, as you tell, because the construction was almost stuck. Almost. It was stuck. We had no money. You know, first things were to be done, first thing first, and then the money went off. But I thank God, we are resuming back slowly by slowly, and much thanks for the well wishes, the money you're donating. It's going on good and better hands, and everything that is being done is very nicely undertaken. Now look at my right hand side, a very nice great house that was being constructed deep in the village. So yesterday it rained very strong, which made some masons to, it rained very strong. It made some masons to do extra work. So today we have to start as early as now. Already masons are at work, so let's proceed. And as you see the other side, the sun is coming out. So people also are at farm doing their thing. Can someone sing for me? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Nakapicha kako nitakaposti This is a market center over here in the village. As well as you see the way it is. Mud houses being one of the best architectural sites being done. We call them bulletproof house, same as mine. You know. So let's proceed. Let's proceed slowly. Amen. Wow. Birthday boy. Alright guys, let's proceed downwards to see what's happening. Just in a few meters from here, we will be there. I just started this video from home. At least I can share with you the distance that we usually come here. So this is our dispensary over here. Let me show you. This is where maybe when kids get sick, they will take it. This one. It's a dispensary. This is the only, can we call it a hospital? No, it's not. It doesn't get to be a hospital. It's a dispensary over here. And this is a school. This is a school. It's called Nyasese School. Wow. You know, most people usually harvest sand from the road, but we need the sand that is from the river. So that's why we're waiting. And you see, slowly. No hurry, just slowly and systematically. Now this is the school, guys. This is the school. Some of the kids from the orphanage study here. Some, you know. And this is how you see. The road is long. The dirty wrong road. The dirty wrong road, or the dirty long road. It's amazing. So from this side, wow. You see how it has portals? There's a river here. That's how you see the motorbike is just going on its own. It's accelerating on its own. If you add speed, so there is a very steep place down here, a very steep one, very steep one. Let me show you. It's a very steep one, very steep one. This end, and by the end of this, there is a river here. You see how people are harvesting sand from this side? That one is very good for construction, maybe for bricks or blocks. That one is very good for construction of bricks, but it's not good for plastering. So let's keep on moving, walking easily. Oh, this is the best time for wow, some maize have started to be mature. Well. So we are almost at the orphanage. So it's 12 or 15 minutes. Let's say approximately 10 minutes ride with a motorbike, and we will be definitely there. So I started this video from home, and now we are here. There's another steep area here. Let's go easy. You know, if you're not a very nice rider of motorbikes, you cannot understand this. So there's another river here, and this is how you see it. Most people harvest sand, but you don't have that. Nice houses. It's not bad day. We're gonna play. There's some construction going here. That's the labor doing his thing. And this is the road to the orphanage. Hey, sasa. The keys. So here we are right at the orphanage. Yeah, right here. Yes, that's what you see. Now they're trying to cut the what we call like the iron sheets, like this one, so that they can have one angle, because this place is supposed to be up. As you see, it's supposed to go up from this end straight towards the other side, so that it can look like a box. That's the idea of Gilberto.
Yes, I'm here.
In this early morning.
Yeah, the beautiful morning from East Africa. So we are trying to deliver our skilled job so that we can achieve our goal.
Absolutely. That's what you see, guys. So we're trying to cut it well so that things can move on a good way. All right. Guys. Guys, we have a funny mason here today. So he was like, can I press your phone so I see if it's working? Sasa weza finya, unaweza zoom, finya namba 2 umzoom huko juu. Finya namba 2, press namba 2 hiyo. Suno nimekuja. Guys, hey. Yeah. Akakuita mshamba. Yeah, so actually guys, we are here the Mason, we are here with Mason. They are working and they want to finalize every sand that was around, all the sand that is around the compound, because everything is allocated with Gilberto. He's there. Gilberto, wave to our people.
Okay.
Hey.
Hello, how are you?
Hey.
It's Gilberto.
Hey.
And nearest to the sky, eh?
Hey.
Yes, yes.
And today you have to sing happy birthday for me. It's my birthday.
Wow.
Hey.
Okay, you are newborn.
I'm a newborn, new face.
Why you are old?
I'm new face, I'm new old, new face. Yes.
Okay, we are here to demonstrate our skills.
Yes.
So that we have to make sure that all things are in setting.
Yeah.
So I'm cutting these kind of timbers.
Yes.
So that we can have irrigation.
Yes.
In terms of
the gutter.
Gutter beam. Gutter beam. We are preparing gutter beam.
Yes.
Finally, it will look like a hidden house.
Yes.
Or a hidden roof.
Yes.
In your house.
Oh,
so
wow.
We are making sure that all things are in control.
In control.
Yes.
All right, guys. That's Gilberto. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel at Gilberto. And today we want to finish all the sand that is here. And the masons are here. Eh, bwana. Itaenda kuambia wewe ni mshamba.
Mimi ni shamba bwana. Yaani mikono yangu mpaka nimesipini sugu si mimi.
Kidogo chukua stili wa kusugua.
Naona lakini fast.
Guys, those it mason tells that Gilberto gave him the phone to press, but it was like something different. So we want to finalize all the sand because this was sand. We are adding more bricks. And also we are with Caleb there. Today we thank God that it rained yesterday, so we have sufficient water over here. No, Caleb, wambie hi bana. Yes. So today we have the bricks that were bought. They are all depleting, but we had to add more bricks. And the sand that will be over there. Madam Loni birthday yangu.
Keki ulete.
Leo ni birthday yangu. Mtaniambia birthday, happy birthday.
Tuimbe na tukule.
Mtukule keki.
Ama hata soda.
Utapika hata keki hapa wenyewe. Yeah, guys. Yeah. Guys, those are the bumps that we always do. What we call like wash the house of the boys, prepare everything that is all here. So we have ballast. So the sand that was here was depleted. And there's kind of a sand that also was on the other side. And yeah, it's about it. So this, as you see, this guy is coming out with the sand. You know, nyuma? Yeah, there was another sand that was here. So we want to make sure that we have depleted every sand in the compound, so that when we bring new sand, it will always be used like that. Because when you bring new sand, they just rush to the new sand and they leave the other sands to get scattered. So you see, like this one, it should be depleted today. That was the idea, that we have to deplete everything, every material. Another one, bricks here, other bricks over there. So all will be depleted, but we're going to add more bricks. And then we'll see, these were washed. So these are blankets, they were washed. There's some 3 ladies who are here who really do an amazing work in cleaning, and every 2 days or 3 days they always do some cleaning. As you see also, here she is already. Yeah, so she's doing some cleaning. Salimia watu mama. Hey, yes. Na shida ni nini na mguu mama?
Mguu yangu. Kijiti kilinigonga mwezi wa 7.
Oh, pole.
Mpaka saa hii.
Guys, she says that the sticks nini. Hujaenda hospitali mama?
Nimeenda. Alafu jana nilienda wakapiga x-ray juzi. Wananiambia nikuwa na kadiasha na sina, ndio wanipea dawa.
Wakupea dawa.
Wanitibu.
I think I'll just do this. Nitakuja, kuna daktari mwingine hapo niko naye kienyeji. Nitakuja nimwambie tuone kama atakutengenezea dawa. Kuja nikuja naye. Kama nitakuta ako willing kukuja kutengenezea dawa. Guys, her leg she's limping. And you can see how it is. Ndio unafunika same mama. Inakuuma kabisa.
Kutoka mwezi wa 7.
Kutoka mwezi wa 7. Guys, that's from July. From July up to now, she's limping, and she really helps us to do a very nice job of washing and cleaning the boys' dormitory. So, mom, tutaona tu venye tutaenda. Yeah. So I just saw her limping, And I was like, what's the problem with her? And she's really doing a very good job, a very, very nice job actually. So, and we know our government hospitals, they really, our government hospitals, they are really letting us down. That she must have a card of share so that she can be given medicine. That is very wrong. With me, actually, when I see such kind, I really feel very bad. She says that there was a stick like this, and it chopped her leg, and now it has developed something. Like she can't walk properly, and she really does a very amazing job in this home, cleaning and washing boys' clothes, stuff, and everything. So today's work is finishing up that end so that it can become a hidden roof. That's from the management, that was Gilberto, and we'll be bringing more materials, and we see how work is going slowly, systematically, but perfect, you know, so that when we finish from up, because if we pole baba ama kwa mzee hakuna pole shuka tu pole chini baba, shuka tu chini pole tupigilie msumali vizuri, pole Gilberto, wewe ulipandaje hapo juu? Yes, so let's wait for that, and then it will be cleared so that it can ease us, it can give us an easy work, and give us an easy. Wewe rusha tu usimkate fundi, rushia hapo hivi so that it can give us an easy work to do plastering the whole house. So that's why you see we have to finish the outer upper end. When the outer upper end will be finished, then we can have a better way to plaster the inside, because this one was really complete everything. This one is different with this one. This one was, the idea was to be a hidden roof, and this one was a flat roof, you know. So this was really done, and so this one is really giving us a crazy headache, but it will be done. So that's why you see they are trying to cut everything so that it can be on one end and one line, you know? So when we be finished, we can go in, we do some plastering. So when the outer part will be finished, the upper side, going inside will be just faster, and then maybe in 1 week everything is well done. For now they're using this, and then we see. Alright guys, I'll be updating you, and today is my birthday. Let's celebrate with whatever small we have around, you know. Alright guys, so what Caleb was doing, we call it lubrication for the tools, because if you leave these tools to be this way for long, they'll get destroyed. I've been told the only thing that they lack here are the only thing we lack here is spades. We don't have enough spades for what we call like for work here. So what's being done, just lubricate the tools so that they cannot make noise, you know? Yeah. Just taking care of the tools, because today or tomorrow will be helping us also. Just like that. Here you go very much. Go better. Side. Just like that, slowly, and then it will be more better.
Unaona kama kuna wasichana. Yaani umekuwa ngapi? Ndio kuna uwezekano.
So they're mixing up again. The ratio is very much okay. As you see, it's 1 cement to 3 wheelbarrows. Reason being, we are doing this so that it can be very firm, because we are building the upper side. No? Yeah. We want the ratio to be very strong, very, very strong. The reason why we are not bringing more masons is that the work that is over here to be finished slowly by slowly, and then now when you be in, we can now bring more masons and the work can continue very much. Okay, slowly. Man at work, man. Very nice. Guys, this is what you see. This is what is being done. Hey. The ratio is very strong. So they're putting here and then they pour water in there. So when now it has what is called a mortar. But this way it's still sand and cement. But when it has water inside, it's called a mortar. That's what we call like construction tips. That's the mortar now. You'll be seeing how it becomes a mortar. Yeah, easy. Now the sand is almost ready for them to go up, and let's see how work is going. Guys, that's what you see. We already have a mortar. So guys, we already have a mortar, as you see. That's what we call mortar. Now that's ready to build like that. Yeah. So guys, you know there's some bricks that are going on, and so guys, this is what you see, and the bricks are already here, and we need very better and nice bricks. The truck itself is really nice. Alright guys, that's how you see the bricks so that we can finish this. There is an offload of the bricks, and that's what you see. You know, these are called bricks. They are blocks and they are bricks. We have a difference between a brick and a block, you know. So the brick is made from soil, and a block is made from sand and mixed with cement. We have machine cut, the one that had been cut from the ground, but this one had been made by humans, you know. Alright, is this what you see? No forklifts, but the work is still ongoing. So you can see how the work is going. So this one is just going up so that it can bring the shape of a box, like hidden roof. That's what you see. That's all you see. The work is ongoing.
Để làm bữa đầu tiên cái Kenge.
So guys, this is what you see. It has only remained this part, and it will bring a shape of the hidden roof, and then we want to continue. So you see how it's coming, very nice, and that's how everything is. Kazi kwa ukweli.
Thank you.
Yeah, get back
welcome
to
here.
Yeah.
Yes, we are here to support any point according to our agenda.
Yeah.
Is to make sure that these innocent kids
Yeah.
are happy, feeling that they are in comfort zone.
Absolutely.
That's why we are here.
Yeah, for sure, guys.
Yes.
And that's why you see things are moving on well. And let me show you at the back. Then there are also some bricks that are over there. There are a lot. We have brought 1,200 bricks today, and that is each brick costs. Each brick was costing 10 shillings plus the transport. That is the brick cost 8 shillings and 2 shillings for each brick, so it's 10. So the total cost of a brick goes out 10 shillings plus the transport 10 shillings. So we brought 1,200 bricks, and this is the back side. So also the back side will also have the same picture with the other one, because if we leave it this way, this end, it will rain, and the water will be entering the dormitory, you know. And today they were cutting off the mabati, or we call them iron sheets, and that's how things are moving on. Well, we are really working here despite it's our birthday. We really appreciate the gift of life and everything. And you see, so also this side, and then we can continue with what we call like the plastering of inside, and there will be a door here. There will be a door here that will have a toilet over here that will be draining water, the waste towards the end down there, you know. So, and also these trees were trimmed down because we don't want the leaves to be falling on the iron sheets, because when the leaves will be falling on the iron sheets, they can clog the gutters, and that may end up for the corrosion of the iron sheets, and maybe the rust. And also when they collide together, when they agglutinate together, they might make the water to do whatever. So this is the second mixture that is going on, and also the second mixture. So also the students or kids are closing schools, so eventually we're going to have a very nice end. And anatosha mpaka huko nyuma, si ndio?
Lakini kulingana na hii nafasi ya mbele naona imetula
kiasi, yeah. But I think this one tutajua kuangalia to balance the measurement here. These are 1,200, which means they can fit the entire house up. Yeah. So guys, this is what you see. The bricks, there's a difference between blocks and bricks. You know, when it's this way, the bricks are being burnt in a kiln, but the blocks are being made from the what we call like from cement and sand. Yeah, for sure.
This is
Man-made, yeah. Homemade. Yeah.
They should be burned.
Yeah. So that they can become red. Yeah.
Is it red or orange?
I'm colorblind.
Red or orange?
I'm colorblind.
This one is colorblind. I chose one my wife.
Yeah.
My wife.
Is it red or orange, guys?
It's red plus orange
and brown.
Yes.
All right, guys. Let us know.
Depending how they've been burnt.
They'll be burnt. Yeah. Let's wait and see how everything. But the work is really going on well.
Yeah.
So when we finish with this, we can now go in for the plastering of everything. Yeah. So that's the battle, guys. Yeah. So the work is really coming all along nicely, as you see on this other end. Then we'll be sharing with you the end product of how stuffs are going. So let's wait and see. Please help me say happy birthday to each and every person who was born a day like today, which is the 17th of October. I'm now not a boy, but I'm now a father and the father of many. So at least I have to tell you that this is my day, and this is our day for all who are born in this month of October 17. May you all have a very may your hopes and all you have been sighing for to be fulfilled, you know, and live more years. And thank you so much for the October babies, for everyone. Thank you, be blessed all, and I'll be sharing with you the end product of this and how it's going on. All right, guys? Yeah, I can say bye for now.